Now you'll forgive my shaky camera work, but believe me, this is the path and you need to be paying attention, otherwise that's where you're going, and I don't fancy that. Now here's another perspective of the rice fields from the rice field. Look, there's the tears going away and up. And this is where we see it. And that house up there is Mananglina. Well, it's not Mananglina, it's her house. And there's the 5 coconut trees. This is Rado's well. Plenty of water, I think, in Rado's well. No, not quite so much. That's the pump there. And there's Rado's house. Now this is funny because coincidental that we should be here at Rado's house, because I had messages from a couple of people saying take care of Rado. Well, we have taken care of Rado. We know how valuable he is. And that is Rado's house there. What, honey?
Manong Rado will bring it in the other side. So we go there.
So having come here, we're going to leave and go back.
Yeah, over there on the
That's Filipino. Move it! Well, there's one carabao there and a baby. Not too old. And that's Rado's house there. That's one of his kids there. Not as easy as you might think. Where are you? What the hell? Put my head down for a moment and I'm lost. So right in between all of the banana plants, banana trees I should say. Is that Rado, Beth?
over there.
Who's that walking?
Kuya Julio.
Come on, Red. Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, darling. Come on.
Okay.
On off the video for another video pag on ka tali. Yeah, so here. So we're